Oh, hi everybody. Welcome to week 4 of Computer Science 30S. Let's take a look at what I've planned for you guys for this week. So here in week 4, at this point, you should be thinking about getting used to wrapping up the introduction unit. And here's what I mean by this. As you can see here, at this point, you should have looked through all the unit content for intro. So things like variables and conditional statements and looping. So at this point, you've seen that stuff, you've read about it. At this point as well, the big example to start the unit should be done. You should have the example in your code, so you've been through the example to get a feel for it. I realize this is a big unit here at the start of this 30th course, and there's a lot of content. So if you're not quite here at week 4, I understand. I have some flexibility. At this point, you should have started the assessment document. You've started working on programming some of the problems, using the example and the content to help you come along there. And what I have here is you're continuing that, and now you're starting to prepare for the end of this unit, which means you're starting to think about whether you're ready to do the end of unit quiz. If that's the case, there's a review sheet you can use. The review sheet I designed is something you could print and have on hand, where it takes a look at things like variables and things like conditional statements. Each of these review sheets or cheat sheets has a way that you can look at the concept visually, read about it, and then look at just some specifics of it. Look at a concept visually and then some of the specifics. It's still a booklet that could have tips in it and stuff like that for using NetBeans, but to me that's a great way to study and prepare for the quiz. If you're ready this week or by next week, you can contact me through email and say, I'm ready to start my quiz, and I'll email you back a link to the quiz so you can get started, okay? But this is a week where you, as it says here, you should be starting to prepare for that end of unit test and continuing taking a look at the assessments. You should have finished the example and the content review section by looking at the pages or the presentations or the videos. Or if you have any questions, email me, but good luck here on week 4.